Now, question 4 is practically the same as question 3. The only difference is the variable right now is less than an integer that they give us. So, for example, when they say y is less than 5, the question actually changes because right now they're not going to ask us for the smallest possible integer because that would be infinity. They would actually ask us for the largest integer that y could be. And we're going to do the same thing with a slight modification. So let's try to develop some logic here. Y is less than 5. So I'm going to pinpoint 5. So y could be anything that's below 5, right? It's not going to be 5 itself, but it's going to be anything that's below 5. So it's going to go towards what we call negative infinity. Now, you're not supposed to know what negative infinity is. Don't worry about it. You're going to be more acquainted with it in year 8. But for the time being, all I'm going to say is y is anything that is below 5. And what is the first thing, or what is the first integer that we find that is below 5? Well, hopefully you said 4, right? So the largest integer that y could be for this case is 4. Now, we will do the same thing, but this time it's y is less than 12.1. Now, like I said in question 3, even if they gave us an inequality with a decimal, our job is still to find the largest integer that y could be. And we're going to apply the same logic. Now, y is less than 12. I do not have 12 on the number line, but I can imagine it. It's no big deal. I don't have to draw it, right? So let's say 12 is here. So that means 12.1 should be somewhere here, maybe. All I need to know, however, is y is anything below 12.1. And what is the smallest, or what is the largest integer then that y could be? Now, a lot of you might say 11, but please pay attention. Now, we have 12.1, and right before that, there is another integer, 12. The answer here is actually 12 and not 11. Because when we say y is anything that's less than 12.1, that means y can be 12. 12 is less than 12.1, right? So that is the answer to question 4. For A, the largest integer that y could be would be a 4, and the largest integer for B would be a 12. And we're done.